Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to share to you a tutorial on how you can get CapCut on your PC or on your laptop. So as you guys can see here, I've already opened my browser. So to find or to get the CapCut on your PC or laptop, you just need to open your browser and then type in this CapCut.com, and then you can just click on enter. Okay, so just wait. So here is the CapCut.com, and then you don't need to download the app. You can just click on get started for free here. Okay, so when you click on that, you'll be directed to the editor page in CapCut.com. So you can just wait a lot deloading, and then you can just start the editing process right away. So just like let's wait at the process. Okay, so here is the CapCut in your laptop, and then you can just click on media to add a new project and then edit your video right here. Okay, so that's so easy, and you can start using the CapCut. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys on the next tutorial. Bye bye.